Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrows coming to you today with our math lesson of the day. Today in math lesson 3.6, we're going to be reading and writing our numbers all the way to 10. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, horses and cows. I see some horses. There are 5. I see some cows. There are 5. How many animals are there in all? Let's work this out. 5 horses on one hand, 5 cows on the other hand. You bring them together and add them up, and we get 10. So that's the number we're working with today, the magic number 10. 5 and 5 equals 10. Let's take a look at our tens frame. Hold up how many fingers of the dots you see. Great job, you saw 5. How many dots do you see in this tens frame? Great job. Again, you saw 5, but that 5 looked different than the 5 before. It doesn't matter how we arrange our number 5. As long as we see 5 dots, the number is going to be 5. I'm ready to trick you. Are you my scholarly learners this morning? How many dots do you see? Show me fast. Awesome work. There is 9. Here is our numbers on a number train. Go ahead and tap your screen as I tap the numbers on the screen. Go away. No. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job counting. I think we can count down just like we did before from 5. Let's start from 10. We'll go real slow. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. All right, go ahead and get your writing boards out and your marker. We're going to practice writing the number 10 today. Pause it if you need some time. Awesome. Now that we're ready to be writers today, we are going to take our writing utensil and very carefully, we are going to start our number 1 is how we start the number 10. We started at the skyline and go straight down, straight to the grass line. That's our number 1. I'm sure glad the computer fixed it for me. Next to that number 1 is the number 0. Whoopsie daisies. Let me go back. Let me try that again. So there's my number 1. Let me write the number 0 right next to it. And here, oh my goodness, not pretty writing this morning. There is my 0. So now I've got the number 10. A 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. I'm going to use my big fat, plus space this morning, and I'm going to try to write again. Let me see if I can do better writing this morning. All right. I'm going to try it again. Use my big fat plus space in the middle. I'm going to make the number 1 straight down to make the first number of 10. Then I'm going to make my second number of 10, the 0. So a 1. Ooh, not much better today with my writing. And a 0. And there's my number 10. I am going to put a shape in my bottom box down here. Why don't you draw, let's draw some triangles. So I'm going to find me a shape. There they are. I'm going to find me a magic, not an arrow. I'm going to find me a magic shape. I'm going to use a triangle today. And we made ourselves a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and put 10 triangles in here, but I'm going to try to make it smaller so I have enough. Hello, Mr. Triangle. Well, guess today he doesn't want to be a smaller triangle, so we're going to try him again. Let's see here. Let's see if we can find another triangle. Here, I'll put him here. There, we're going to make him a little bit smaller. There we go. So now I've got 1, 2. Here's my 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. We're having some times today. Here's 7. Here's 8. Here's 9. And there's 10. I have 1 big triangle and 9 little ones. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've made my 10 triangles. I hope you boys and girls have the best day ever. Keep working hard and learning hard, and I will see you later. Bye.